Yellow. Okay, this is me sharpening my lathe tools for my woodworking. For my wood that I put on the lids and make bases for the pieces, each piece. All right, let me go ahead and show you. First, I'm going to go a medium grit. I'm going to do 10, and I'll probably do like 20. So there's 20 passes. Then I'll do another 20 passes here. I'll do another 20 passes. I mean 10, sorry. Okay, that's not good enough. So basically, the blade is rusty, and it's just, I moved from Oregon to California, so the blade is rusty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take another diamond. So basically what I'm doing is I'm sharpening with diamond blades, or diamond sharpening flats. So I'm going to take a number 400 diamond grit flat, and this will give me, this is rough enough to give me kind of a new surface on the blade. So we'll do that first. We'll back up a step, and I just put water on all my flats. This is leather for afterwards. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of all that rust and just put a nice fresh surface on the blade. So again, I'm going to do 20 passes on each side, 10 each. So I check it after each 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Check it. I'm going to do 40 on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to do it another 40 on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that gives me a really good fresh start. Then I'm going to go to the medium side of this one. I got this, I think, at Lowe's, but it's just another diamond flat. Diamond thing. Okay, so I'm going to start with 40 on this medium side so that I can get another good surface. Other side. There's the medium, and now we're going to flip it over and do the fine. I'll probably just do 20 passes for each side on the fine right now. And now, after I do the diamond blade, what I'm going to do now is do this wet soapstone or wet stone. So this is 3,000 and 1,000. So I'm going to start with the 1000, the rougher side, which is still pretty fine. And I'm going to do 20 passes on each side. Okay. Now we're going to do one more pass, 10 each, on, or 20 passes on the light finest grade, which is 3000. You'll see I cut into it there. It's easy to cut into because it's so sharp now, which will really screw your thing up. Okay. Now we've got a pretty good edge there. I always check it with my fingernail. They taught me this in jewelry school. So what you do is you just, I don't know if you can see it. You just go like this and you can kind of see your nail curl out. So if you can do that, it's a good way to test the blade sharpness. Now what I'm going to do is just get some, I've got a leather strap here. I put some Triple E polish on there. It's just a green polish. And then what I do is I just, this kind of seals in everything. It seals in the metal. It kind of contracts the metal so that you don't have to sharpen as often. So I just do like 20 passes on each side. And 20 more passes. Okay, so now there you go, there's the blade. You can see that sucker's sharp. And it'll last for a while. Maybe, I would say, I could probably do like maybe 5 lids, 5 bases. So what I do is I just make 6-inch diameter lids and bases. So I could probably do about 10 of them with this now. So that's the sharpening process. Thanks for watching.